Hello and welcome to a video on solving simultaneous equations using the substitution method. So let's say, for example, we had 3s minus 12t equals 32 and we had s plus 26t equals minus 18. First thing we'll do, just label these equations so they're easier to reference. So we'll say that the first one is equation 1, second one is equation 2. Okay, so what we're going to do first is to rearrange equation 2 to make s the subject. So that would just mean that s is equal to minus 26t minus 18, because what we've done is we've just subtracted minus 26t from both sides. And then we're going to substitute that value for s into equation 1. So that will look like this. It will be 3, and then we know that value for s now. So that would be minus 26t minus 18. And then we still have that minus 12t, and we have that all equal to 32. So let's solve that now. We would have minus 78t minus 54 minus 12t equals 32. So let's tidy some of this up. So we have minus 90t minus 54 equals 32. So let's add 54 to both sides. So we have 90t equals 86. Therefore, t is equal to minus 86 over 90. We can simplify that pretty much just by cutting it in half. So that's going to be minus 43 over 45. So that's our value for t. What we're going to do then, we are going to substitute that into, I should have labeled this, equation 3. So we'll substitute that value for t into this equation so that we can then find a value for s. So s is equal to minus 26t minus 18. We now have a value for t, so it's minus 26 multiplied by minus 43 over 45 minus that 18, and that will give us 308 over 45. That's a dodgy 5. Still a dodgy 5. That's a little bit better. So that is our value for s. And what we can do is we can check that by plugging those numbers into equation 1 and 2. So 3 multiplied by 308 over 45, because that was the value for s, minus the 12 multiplied by that value for t, minus 43 over 45. And hopefully you can see that that will come out to an even number. And that does actually come out to 32. You can test this yourself. And then let's just test it with equation 2. So we know the value for s, 308 over 45. Plus 26 multiplied by that value for t. And then hopefully you can see that that will come out to a minus. I'll explain why in a second, but that will give you that minus 18. So this version here, we know it's a plus because when we look at this term, sorry, a bit of a dodgy drawing, minus multiplied by minus is a plus. We already have a plus here on the left hand side, so that will come out to a plus. We've got a plus term here, but this 26 multiplied by this value for t here will come out to a minus, so we know that that's a minus. And if you do the arithmetic, if you do the calculations, you will hopefully see that I've done everything right and we're ended up with the values that we wanted. Okay, so thanks for watching. Quite a lot to take in there. That's the substitution method for solving simultaneous equations. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next video.